All right, so a viewer wants to know if Velcro will stick to my beard. It's not really a beard yet, but it's got some stubblies on it like Velcro. And I guess my question would be, if the Velcro does stick to it, which side of the Velcro sticks? So I've got some tie straps here that have kind of a cotton fabricy soft area on one side and Velcro on the other. Well, it's all Velcro, right? Okay, so let's see which side, if any, sticks. Nope, ain't gonna happen. Nope. Other side. Nope. And that was the less likely side because it was a soft side. So this is the kind of pokey Velcro side. Yeah, it's like, I wish it would stick like this. That's to prove that it's Velcro. No, ain't gonna happen. So no, it will not.